So in just a moment, I'm gonna reveal a brand new method where you can earn big money online from using the Google Translator for 100% free. Now these are all the potential money that you could be making: $1,000, $2,000, or $3,000. But this is a warning, because you gotta follow my simple and easy instructions in this video. And you don't need any skill, and you don't need any experience to do this. And the best part about this method is that this is 100% free. Well, you don't have to pay any money to do this, and this is available worldwide. It doesn't matter where you're coming from. You can use today's method and start making money online. So this is how much money you can earn by using today's method. If you translate one file using the Google Translator, you can earn somewhere between $50 to $100. When you translate 5 files, you can earn up to $500. And when you do it for 10 files, you can earn up to $1,000. And the earning potential of this is crazy. You can repeat this over and over again. So I want you to stay tuned and don't miss out on that. Make sure you subscribe to my channel. Go on and click on the subscribe button right now. And also, don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that you don't miss out when I release my brand new videos that can help you to make more money online. In just a moment, I'm gonna show you all of the steps that you need to do. You can do it on your computer, or you can do it on your phone. And I'll show you how to use the Google Translator and earn a lot of money online. But you gotta follow all my steps. So first up, I want you to go onto the website, which is ladium.org. I'm gonna leave the link of the website on the screen right now. But before you go onto the website, I want to show you how you can sign up, and I'll explain how this works, and all the steps and all the training on this video, so that you can follow exactly what I did before you go on and try it yourself. So right here, I want to show you there is actually a lot of earning potential on this website. As you can see here, the reward offer $1,500 up to $4,000, $250 up to $1,500, $1,000 right here. There are a lot of earning potential and a lot of jobs for everyone worldwide. So if you're coming from the US, UK, Canada, India, Philippines, Nigeria, or Pakistan, there are a lot of opportunities for you guys from all over the world. And you can join this opportunity right now. And I'll show you exactly how to do it in this video. So real quick, let me show you exactly how it works, and then I'll show you how to sign up and actually get a free sign-up bonus or free money in a moment. So make sure you don't miss out on that. But first off, step number 1. When you come onto this website, once you sign up, you're gonna browse on different projects just like what I showed you just now. You can find it here on the marketplace. There are different projects, different offers, different jobs that you can do, and you can earn US dollars, cryptocurrency, or PayPal money. You can earn so many different payment methods that you prefer in your country. So you can browse on different available projects on the ladium.org platform, and then you can submit a bid, and then you can start working immediately, and then you can get paid within 24 hours. It's a very fast payment scheme, and they pay you on time every single day. So step number 2, you gotta complete the project, and then you can submit your work through the ladium.org content management system, and I'll show you how to do that in a moment, so make sure you keep watching. And step number 3, this is what we all love, which is we can get paid. Once your work has been reviewed and approved, your payment will be released immediately to your ladium.org wallet within 24 hours. It's a very fast process. So right now, I'm gonna show you exactly how to sign up and get your free bonus money. When you go to ladium.org, you want to click on I want to work. Click on this button right here, and then you're gonna come onto this page as you can see here. Then click on this I'm not a robot, and just click on the continue button. So once you do that and you sign up, you should be able to get a free $1 sign up bonus. But you have to verify your email account, so make sure you check your email inbox and click on the activation link so they can set up your account ladium.org, and you should be able to see your free $1 once you sign up. So again, once you log into your account, when you click on this Browse Project, you should be able to see different projects that you can join, and you can choose whatever you want, and you can do the jobs and get paid. The problem is, there are so many different projects, so many things to do, and I know a lot of you guys, including myself, don't have any experience. For example, I don't know how to do graphic designs. I don't know how to do website or software. I don't know how to do usability testing. And the good thing about this is that you don't actually need any skill or experience to do this. All you gotta do is just go on and focus on the translation and languages. So when you come out here, you're gonna click on this Translation and Language on the top right hand corner over here. Right now, you can see there are other projects that you can do about translation and language. So as you can see here, people are earning up to $25 per project by just translating language. For example, from Hindi to English. For example, from Japanese to English. In just a moment, I'll show you some examples of the job that you're able to receive and earn money online. For example, you might receive Hindi articles, as you can see here, and you want to translate your job from Hindi to English. And then you can receive $75. And there are some projects that they want you to translate from Japanese, and you gotta translate from Japanese into English. And they're gonna pay you $100 per project. Once you've finished your projects, they're gonna pay you in cryptocurrency, as you can see here. Or you can get paid in US dollars or bank transfers, or even through PayPal, or in WebMoney or Skrill or Payoneer. There are so many payment methods on this website that you can choose from. In fact, comment down below on what payment method you prefer in your country. If you guys are enjoying this video, don't forget to smash the like button and subscribe to the channel. Now let's get back to the video. As you can see here, this is one of the articles that you can receive. This is a Hindi article. Now comment down below if you know about Hindi language or if you are coming from India. Comment down below and let me know, because basically you can translate this Hindi article into English and you can make money online. Now I know a lot of you guys are coming from different places worldwide. You might not be able to translate different languages, but the thing is, I'll show you in this video how you can leverage the power of Google Translate tool to do all the job for you, done for you, and automate the process so that you can make money over and over again. But you're gonna follow my steps. As you can see here, first off, I want you to go to google.com and I want you to type in a keyword which is Google Translate. Type in Google Translate and you're gonna press on the search button. Right now, you should be able to come onto this. As you can see here, you can actually select, type, and copy and paste the language right here on the left. And then you can automatically translate the language into English, as you can see here. But this is very small. You can do it in your computer or you can do it in your phone. So all you gotta do, you're gonna go on and click on here, translate.google.com. Click on this link right here and then you could come on to this page where it is larger and it is much easier for you to work on. So first off, on the left is detect language. Over here, you want to paste the article on the left here. So all you gotta do when you receive your job is you can right click and copy everything for this one and then copy this one, and then I'll come back here to Google Translate and then I'm gonna paste everything right here on the left. So right here, they'll automatically detect my language. As you can see here, Hindi is detected. So the Google Translator actually detected that this is a Hindi language, and they'll do the translation into English as you can see here. So what I want to do is I can copy everything. Click copy or just click on this copy button right here. And then I'm going to open up a new document. Click on file and click on new and click on document. So right now, I can paste my English translation right here on this new document. So again, I'm gonna repeat the same process. I'm gonna come on here and then I'm gonna highlight the next part and then I'm just gonna copy this one again. Click on copy, come back here and click on this delete everything and just paste the new text again right here. And then I'll wait for the translation to English and then I'm gonna just copy this one again. And I'll just click on this copy translation. Click on this button right here and then come back here to this document and then hit enter and just paste on the next paragraph right here. So you can repeat the same process again and again using this method, or you can just submit the entire document. As you can see here, you can translate the entire text document. You can just click on documents right here. Click on this and you can actually click on here to browse on your computer and actually upload the entire Google document right here to this Google Translator. And they will automatically translate the entire article and then we can submit that to different jobs and different offers that you can get paid. For example, for Hindi language, they'll pay you a slightly lower price, as you can see here, $75. But if you're lucky enough, sometimes you get some Spanish or some German language, for example. Even Japanese, they pay up to $100 per job, and then all you gotta do is just repeat the same thing. For example, I'm just going to highlight this Japanese language, and I'll just copy this one and come back to the Google Translate. I'm gonna do the next text for you. Just delete everything and then just paste right here, and then they'll start translating into English language. It's a very simple process and I believe anyone can do this. And again, don't worry, you can do it on your phone. You can do it in your computer. Just go to google.com and just search up this Google Translator and use this software. Use this application to actually do all the job for you.